welcome to Only Maths Tutorial Point. Today we are going to discuss the continuation of the previous video, that is do this exercise page number 40 for SSC class, okay, for class 10th. What is given here? If A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 elements and set B is 2, 3, 5, 7, they are asked you to find the A intersection B. Means we have to find what are the common elements in both the sets. I am going to explain in normal method and also in Venn diagram method. You can use any method in exam guys. Okay. If time is there, better you follow both methods in exam. If suppose you made some minor mistake in calculation part, then you don't lose any marks. Okay. So better do both methods in exam. See here, first write down what is given. Set A 1 to 10 and set B is 2, 3, 5, 7 and they are asking to find A intersection B. Okay, so among these two, which is a common element, which is a repeated element in both the sets. Write down this pattern. A, set A elements, set A intersection, set B. Observe that which element is repeated in both the sets. 2 is repeated, 3 is repeated, 5 is repeated, 7 is repeated. Means these 4 elements are common in both the sets. So mention only those elements because intersection indicates identifying the common elements in given sets. So A intersection B equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Okay. So these are the elements that we got in common. But what are these elements set? What are these elements? This is nothing but the given set B. Therefore, A intersection B equal to B. You can write like this. Okay, these are the common elements. But after getting the common elements, what are this set contains? This is set nothing but the B set. So you can write as A intersection B equal to B. Okay guys. So coming to the Venn diagram. So draw the rectangle that indicates the universal set denoted by mu. Okay. Now draw the two circles that indicates two sets. If 3 sets are given, dot 3 circles. Okay. Now this region is the common region for both the sets, for A and B. And this is only A part, this is only B part, and this is a common for both A and B. Okay. This part is a common for both. This region is a common for both. Now, first mention what are the repeated terms, what are the common terms that we got. 2, 3, 5, 7. Mention here. Two, 3, 5, 7. So these elements are repeated in both set A and set B. Now see set A, what are the terms, what are the elements that are other than 2, 3, 5, 7? Mention here. Element 1, 3 already is there, 4, 5 is there, 6, 7 is there, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. Now coming to B set. B set contains only these common elements guys. They did not given much elements, other elements. So no need to mention here. Okay. Understood? So these are the common elements. Common and also belongs to A and belongs to B, whereas this is only belongs to A. మళ్ళీ చెప్తాను. ఈ రీజన్లో ఉన్నవి, ఈ మిడిల్ రీజన్లో ఉన్నవి ఏకి పాసిబుల్, బికి పాసిబుల్, whereas ఈ ఏరియాలో ఉన్నవి ఓన్లీ ఏకి మాత్రమే అప్లికబుల్, నాట్ ఫర్ దిస్ రీజియన్, నాట్ ఫర్ దిస్ రీజియన్. ఓకే. I hope you understand this sum. We go to the next sum. See guys, next sum, fourth sum, important sum. What is given here? If A equal to, set A equal to 4, 5, 6 and set B equal to 7, 8, then show that A union B equal to B union A. We have to show that A union B equal to B union A. First write down what is given sets. Given set A equal to 4, 5, 6 containing 3 elements. Set B containing 2 elements, 7, 8. We have to find A union B equal to B union A. Steps are compulsory guys. First write down what is given in the question, what to find, Then proceed for the solving. What to do? Now take LHS part A union B. Okay. So what is A here? 4, 5, 6. Set A union. What is B? 7, 8. Now what is union? We have already discussed in the previous video about the basic operations on sets. That is the first one, union of sets. So what does the union of set indicates? When they are asking to find the union of sets in the given two sets, we have to take the combining the both the sets without repeating any element. Okay, we have to take the both the sets element without repeating any element. That only the set indicates. We should not take the any repeated term. All the elements in the set should be distinct. It should not be same. Okay, here 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So all are different. So no need of no repeated value here. So A union B equal to, we got 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So you keep aside. Now take RHS part B union A. What is B set? 7, 8, and what is A set? 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now what is union indicates? Union indicates the combining both the given sets. 7, 8, 4, 5, 6. But arrange in the order, either ascending or descending order. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. If you arrange in ascending order. Therefore, B union A also, we got the same result, right? Therefore, LHS part equal to RHS. Therefore, A union B equal to B union A, guys. So same sum, how can we draw? How can we do in method 2, that is union Venn diagram form? See here, using Venn diagram. Draw a rectangle that indicates the universal set mu, and how many sets given here? 2 sets. So draw 2 circles, A and B. Okay, now the given question is in terms of union, right? Union is nothing but the combining both the sets. Okay, it may be either repeated value or non-repeated value. We should write only one time. First, observe that in the given question, any repeated value are there in the set A or in set B. We don't find any repeated value, right? So this belongs to set A and this belongs to set B, and this is a common region for both. So in this region nothing is there. Actually, whenever you are drawing Venn diagram, either A union B or A intersection B or difference of 2 sets, that one we'll discuss further. Okay, first you have to write the common elements. Whenever you are drawing the Venn diagram, guys, you have to mention the middle elements, the common region elements. Then only you can arrange the remaining part. Okay, but in this question, in the both the sets, we don't have any repeated value. We don't have any common. So this 4, 5, 6 belongs to only A set. And 7, 8 belongs to only B set. Only A and only B. The terminology is important, guys. Only A. This region is only A. This region is only B. And this is belongs to A or B. Okay, I hope you understand this sum. Okay, please go through my video and please go through this sum once again. If at all any doubt is there, you can comment in the video, and please like my video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.